Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start prep for USMLE. Start by understanding the USMLE 3 main steps and their respective content. Develop a personalized study plan, allocating sufficient time for each subject. Aim for at least 6 to 12 months of dedicated preparation for Step 1. Select high-yield resources, such as a comprehensive question bank with thousands of questions and a few core review texts. This foundational work is crucial for building a strong study framework. A robust question bank is your most valuable asset, offering tens of thousands of practice questions. Actively engage with explanations for both correct and incorrect answers. Supplement this with concise review books and video series to solidify complex topics. Flashcards, whether physical or digital, are excellent for reinforcing key facts in pharmacology, helping you retain a vast amount of information efficiently. Structure your study days with focus blocks for new material, question bank sessions, and thorough review. As you progress, incorporate full-length practice exams every few weeks. These simulations, typically lasting 8 hours, are vital for building stamina and managing time effectively. Critically analyze your performance on these exams to pinpoint weaknesses and adjust your study strategy accordingly, ensuring continuous improvement. Sustaining your well-being is paramount during this intensive period. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly, maintain a balanced diet, and incorporate regular exercise. Short, frequent breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, can significantly boost focus. On test day, arrive early, stay calm, and manage your time wisely across the blocks. Trust your preparation and approach each question thoughtfully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.